Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. You're watching for today. This video is very important to warn all OnePlus users regarding latest OxygenOS 16.1 update. OnePlus has started rolling out the most anticipated OxygenOS 16.1 update for eligible OnePlus devices. Some flagship series OnePlus users got this update from the 10th of the May. But within 4 days of the update rollout, other users of same OnePlus devices are reporting that they did not receive this update via OTA or via beta update section. The OTA section is showing no update available. We all are shocked by what's happening behind this issue. The same flagship OnePlus devices which got this update 3 days ago. Other users of the same regions are still not getting this update. This is the list of officially eligible devices with timeline. You will find this list in the video description. As per the rollout schedule, OnePlus 15, 15R, OnePlus 13 and 13s users started to receive this update as OxygenOS 16.0.7 from 10th of the May onwards. OnePlus already created this device update post on OnePlus community, but today when I checked the OnePlus 15 and 13 series circle, all the OxygenOS 16.0.7 update threads were deleted by moderators. So what happened? Moderator Winky yesterday on the 14th of the May created a new post mentioning the temporary suspension of OxygenOS 16.0.7 and 16.0.5 updates for all OnePlus devices. This is very shocking for all OnePlus fans who are eagerly waiting for OxygenOS 16.1 update. As per this post, OnePlus mentioned that the small numbers of users who got this update in the first slot reported they are getting abnormal restarts and issues in booting the device after updating to this version. So to protect other OnePlus users from these issues, they decided to halt this update until the issue is rectified. Once the issue is fully resolved and the builds have been thoroughly validated for stability and the reliability, the rollout will resume and further updates will be shared through their official channels. So the question arises, when will this update resume again? OnePlus users who are facing this issue, what do they need to do now? And users who got this update via OTA, what they should do now? As per the timeline, the few OnePlus 15 and 13 series users received this update, and small numbers of users are facing this issue for now. So it's obvious that all users of these devices and other devices will get this update only after this issue is rectified. There is no fixed timeline provided by OnePlus about the resuming this update, which means the rollout may delayed by almost 1 week or more from the actual schedule. OnePlus will release an official post regarding the resumptions of these updates, so it's recommended to all users who got this update notification via OTA that they should not install this update and disable the auto update setting. To disable the auto update, go to the OTA section, there select the 3-dot menu from the top right corner and disable the auto update overnight toggle. For auto download option, select don't allow. That's it, your auto update installation of OTA will get disabled. Users who already installed it and are facing the restart and boot issues should contact the OnePlus support team. They will solve your issue free of cost. Hope you guys got the answers of not getting the latest OxygenOS 16.1 update and other important queries. This video is very important to make all OnePlus users aware to skip this update for now. Please like, hype and share this video so it will reach more OnePlus users before they get caught in this issue. That's all for today guys. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.